Pisces, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at titingnan natin kung ano energies na parating sa inyo ngayong full moon in Capricorn sa July 21, 2024, 6:16 p.m. Philippine time. So if you are living outside of the Philippines, i-check nyo na lang kung kailan yung eksaktong oras at araw ng full moon sa inyong lugar. So actually, pangalawang full moon na to, no? Nung nakaraan, last month, full moon in Capricorn din, pero 1 degree lang yon. So ngayon, 29 degrees. So mas malakas, mas powerful itong full moon na ito. So mas maganda to na panoorin nyo sa perspective ng inyong rising sign para mas accurate. So, pang Pisces risings. But you can also, pwede ka rin namang mag-resonate dito if you are Pisces sun or Pisces moon. Okay, so for you Pisces, this is happening in your 11th house of friendship, connections, community. Ayan. So maaring yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong i-let go na kaibigan. Kaibigan talaga. Oo, maaring, parang kasing meron ditong revelation eh. You will know o meron kang matutuklasan na let's say, yung totoong intentions ng mga kaibigan mo sa'yo or pwedeng isa sa kaibigan mo. At yun yung magiging reason para i-let go mo itong taong to. Especially if you feel like this person is no longer, resonating with you. Magkaiba na kayo ng pananaw sa buhay. You feel like this person is not being true to you anymore. Hindi na nagiging totoo to sa'yo. Yung iba naman, pwede tong mga ang ile-let go nyo is yung mga groups na sinalihan nyo. Halimbawa, dati naging interesado kayo sa biking club or badminton club. Pero for some reasons, may nagbabago sa interest mo ngayon. So you might be letting go of that dahil meron kang bagong sasalihan na bago mo na namang interest. Oo. So, maaring I think meron talagang bago kang interest ngayon. Pwedeng related sa creativity mo to, creativity, or sa bago mong hobby, yung, ang tawag dyan, libangan, oo. Na mas doon ka, mas inclined ka doon, oo. So, meron din tong positive aspect sa Uranus and Taurus in your third house of communication. So, yung iba, merong ili-let go na kaibigan, and at the same time, you will gain new friends, new group or set of friends na nakaka-resonate ka. So, ganun naman talaga eh. Sabi nga nila, friends come and go. So, for some of you, there are friends that will be going, and there are friends that are coming to your life. Oo. Coming into your life. Ayan. You also have, meron tong opposition sa iyong 5th house, which is in Cancer. Some of you, maaring, yung iba, parang i-reassess nyo kung, if you are connecting with someone romantically, i-reassess nyo kung itong relationship ba na ito ay may potential na maging seryoso. Kasi kung hindi naman, you might be letting go of this connection. Kasi you feel like, oops, teka, hindi pala to yung gusto ko. Parang, 'di ba, minsan ganun eh, na meron tayong binibigyan ng chance na makilala, at let's see, tinan natin kung magki-click tayo. Pero for some of you, pwedeng na-realize nyo na, oops, hindi ko pala siya, I'm not resonating with this person pala. So you might be letting go of that connection as well. Some of you naman, yun nga, pwedeng meron kayong dating libangan, ili-let go nyo na kasi parang hindi na kayo ganun ka-interesado, hindi na siya exciting for you. Yung iba naman sa inyo, hindi naman to magre-resonate para sa lahat, but some of you, meron kayong palalayain na anak nyo. Na ibig sabihin is, maaring itong anak mo na to is, na siya, adult na, no? Na may sarili na siyang buhay, may sarili na siyang desisyon. So, you are finally letting go of your child para to live on their own, independently. Oo. So, ganun talaga. Ganun naman ang cycle ng buhay natin eh. when we are a parent, we nurture our children, and darating yung point na kaya na rin nila on their own. So, we have to let them go para mas ma-explore nila yung buhay naman nila. Okay? And of course, at nandun pa rin naman yung guidance ninyo. Diba? Let's see what else. Pisces. Yung iba rin, meron kayong self-discovery about your talents, your skills. Pwedeng yung iba sa inyo, you will also start to create money online. Pwedeng unexpected to. Meron kang bagong opportunity to create money online. Pwedeng work from home, job, content creation. Maganda siyang opportunity to bring in money. Three of Pentacles, collaboration, working with others, and ito rin ay expansion ng iyong finances, ng career, ng business mo. So, kung may business ka, mas dumadami yung kliyente mo, mga customers mo, expansion, no? So, maaring mas pinapalaki mo na yung negosyo mo ngayon, mas marami ka ng resources, mas dadami na rin yung tauhan mo. So, kung sa career naman to, this is collaboration with others, working with other people. Yung iba sa inyo, Pisces, parang malilipat kayo ng department, no? Na kung saan may mga bago ka na namang kaibigan, or paglipat rin ng trabaho for some of you. Kaya mag-iiba yung environment, yung mga taong pakikisalamuhaan nyo. You have the Ace of Cups, so new source of happiness. You also have the High Priestess. This is your energy. You have the King of Swords and the Seven of Swords. Oh. So pay attention sa interest, no, sa intentions ng ibang tao sa inyo kasi yung maaring meron ditong secretly na naiinggit sa inyong mga blessings na na-achieve or nakukuha, no? Yung mga achievements ninyo. This can be a friend, no? Kaya maaring yung iba sa inyo matutuklasan nyo na, ito palang kaibigan ko na to, fake. Oo, doble cara pala siya. So, kaya ngayon, marireveal talaga yan. Kung sino yung mga taong totoo sa'yo, yung sinong talagang kakampi mo, at sino yung hindi. Mahirap kasi yan kapag nagpapanggap na kakampi mo pero hindi naman pala, 'di ba? Mas nakakatakot 'yan dahil posibleng i-betray ka pa, no? Na pagkakatiwalaan mo and then eventually this person will fail you. Let's see what else. You also have the Two of Pentacles, so this is going to be a very busy month rin for you moving forward. Marami kang mga pagsasabay-sabayin, mga ang tawag nito, multitasking, ganyan. Pwedeng may mga aasikasuhin ka related sa papers, documentations, permits, especially if you are expanding or tipong mas dumadami yung iyong mga customers, nagpapa-extend ka ng iyong business, ganyan, ng iyong office, or ng iyong tindahan. Okay, just take what resonates. Just pay attention dito sa energy ng person na hindi maganda yung intentions towards you. And I think, nararamdaman mo naman yan. Yung iba lang sa inyo, hindi nyo nalang pinapansin kasi iniisip nyo baka mali lang kayo ng hinala. Pero eventually, malalaman mo yan kung sino yan. Practice gratitude. So you will be thankful about the blessings na matatanggap mo. The more grateful and thankful you are, the more blessings are coming in sa'yo. You are good enough. Lagi mong tatandaan na sapat ka. Huwag mong isipin na may kulang sa'yo kasi you are perfect. You are unique. Okay? Work through your feelings. Last quarter moon in Aries. So yung iba sa inyo, maaring makaramdam kayo na parang may surge ng galit or intense emotions, no? Lalo na kapag meron kayong matuklasan na betrayal sa inyo. Just make sure to manage your emotions para makaiwas rin kayo sa mga bagay na pwede nyong masabi or magawa na pagsisisihan nyo lang, na pwede lang maging complicated yung situation. Okay? So, that is your reading, Pisces. Thank you so much. Bye!